of various cats. She had Fluffy Cat for a while. I don't know if Fluffy Cat's still there. But, like, Megan of all trades knows a lot more about this subject and what to do. Because I think she has outdoor cats, too. Talk to Moat. She should be on tomorrow. If she's not, she'll be on Tuesday. Moat is a humongously great sounding board for this kind of stuff. She knows a lot more than I do. Luna will only eat a treat if it's out of her food bowl. She's picky. But I'll spoil you guys. Hold on. Give me a second. Let's see if we can do this. Hold on. Little boy! Oh, you're not sleeping in the window. You're getting a treat, mister. Okay. You gotta come on the desk. Go on the desk. Go on the desk. On the desk. On the desk. Okay. There you go. You sitting down now? He's like, this is the best day ever! Okay, hold on, baby, hold, baby, hold. You've got it all over your face now, baby. Come over here. Can you come here? Come here. Buddy, you gotta, like, take 2 seconds to chill. I'm getting it up out of the tube. Enjoy your kitty Go-Gurt.